Benefits of ginger-honey mixture. Traditionally, we are using it as an antibacterial. Our grandmothers had used it as a home remedy for curing cough and cold. Other than these, it had got so many benefits. Some of its benefits are: a mixture of ginger and honey drink will help to relax muscles. Thus, it will help in reducing menstrual cramp. It increases the prostaglandin production, which decreases the tension in the blood vessels. This in turn will help in reducing our blood pressure. It is a good antifungal medicine. Drinking a mixture of honey and ginger drink will help you to fight against all fungal infection. It had got an anti-inflammatory property which will help in reducing tension in the lungs. Thus, it is very helpful for treating asthma. This mixture is very helpful for absorbing nutrients from food. It also prevents bloating after eating. It contains antioxidants which will help in decreasing metastasis of cancer and prevents cancer growth. Ginger will help in alleviating pain. Thus, it will reduce headaches due to migraine. As it had got antibiotic property, it is extremely effective for treating wounds and ulcers. It contains hydrogen peroxide which will release gluconic acid, which is helpful for all dental problems. It will increase the number of white blood cells in the body. Thus, it will help in boosting the immune system. It had got a strong aroma which gives a soothing effect and reduces stress and tension.